Hello. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to share a CBCT that was acquired with Sidexis 4 with a specialist for implant planning by using DS Core. We want to introduce you to the cast of our scenario. Dr. Newfield is a general practitioner in the dental practice Happy Smile. He acquires a CBCT of his patient Jane Summers. While diagnosing this CBCT in Sidexis 4, he recognizes that this is a complex implant case. He wants to refer to Dr. Nova, who is a specialist for implantology in the practice, Implants for Lifetime. Let us have a look on the workflow when involving DS Core.
Hello, my name is Dr. Newfield. Today, I have had an appointment with my patient Jane Summers. We have acquired a new CBCT for this patient. The CBCT is visualized in the examination phase of Sidexis 4 for diagnosis. The patient needs implants, and the case looks a bit complex. We usually refer these kinds of cases to a specialist for implantology. Now, there is no need to export and manually transfer the CBCT to the specialist. DS Core will do that for us. I have now changed to our DS Core account. With the Sidexis connector installed, the new patient including the new CBCT will be uploaded automatically to DS Core without any action needed. As you can see, a copy of the CBCT is already available in the media gallery of the patient. From here, you can easily visualize the CBCT on the canvas. But in our example, we want to share the CBCT with a specialist. For that, we mark the CBCT. If you want to share more than one file, just mark the additional files in the same way. After that, please click on the Share button. Now a sidebar appears. Here we can define with whom we want to share. Just enter the email address of the specialist. If you like, you can add a message for the receiving doctor. There is an option to anonymize the data to share. And you can define when the share shall expire. When you click on Send, the defined email address will receive an invitation to this share.
Hi, my name is Dr. Nova from Implants for Lifetime. Today, I have received a notification from Dr. Newfield in DS Core. He has shared another patient file with me for implant planning. Let's have a look what we have received. I could open this CBCT directly in DS Core, but as I know that I need to plan an implant for this patient, I will download the file. Now, I want to import the downloaded file to Sidexis 4. For that, I change to the exposure phase and click on File Import. In the next step, I will select the file that I have downloaded from DS Core. It is always a DCM file. Then, I will follow the import assistant to start importing the CBCT. After the import is done, the CBCT of the patient is automatically shown in the examination phase of Sidexis 4. From here, it is one more click to open that CBCT in CCAT implant. Now we are ready to start planning Jane Summers' case in CCAT implant in preparation for her visit with our practice. Thanks to DS Core, being able to collaborate with Dr. Newfield is easy and efficient. Together, we can provide an exceptional patient experience for Jane Summers, giving all parties involved peace of mind to advance with confidence.